Welcome to Skyways to Highways. We're so excited to share our very first overnight adventure in the RV. After weeks of dreaming and planning, it was finally time to test out our new home on wheels away from home. And where better to start than the beautiful Fisherman's Cove RV Resort in Palmetto, Florida. Nestled along the Manatee River, Fisherman's Cove is an absolute gem. From the moment we arrived, we were blown away by the stunning grounds and the friendly community. The resort features a gorgeous 350-foot fishing pier, where we caught some breathtaking sunsets, the kind that make you grateful to be exploring this beautiful state. Standing at that pier at sunset, I could feel the history of this place, and it made our little two-night trip feel a lot bigger than the miles. They offer two main types of RV sites. You've got your standard RV sites, which are grass sites with full hookups, water, electric, sewer, everything you need. And then you've got your premium RV sites, which are the upgraded option. These include waterfront views and inland paved super sites. And let me tell you, when they say waterfront, they mean it. You are sitting right on Terracea Bay. Our first morning was pure magic. Breakfast with a view, morning walks around the well-maintained grounds, and of course our golden girl loving every minute of it. Fisherman's Cove isn't just an RV park, it's a destination. With top-notch amenities, peaceful waterfront views, and that special Florida charm, it's the perfect place to ease into RV life. See, there's a version of RV prep that looks really good on paper. You watch the videos, you make your lists, you organize your cabinets, you do your walkarounds, and we did all of that. But there is absolutely nothing that prepares you for real RV life, like actually doing it, with no shortcuts, no running back inside, and no home comforts waiting 10 steps away. So that's exactly what we did. We made a decision early on that before we tackled any long haul, we were going to take a short shakedown trip first, just a few nights, close enough that if something went seriously wrong, we weren't stranded in the middle of nowhere, but far enough away and committed enough that we couldn't just bail when things got uncomfortable. And let me tell you, that decision was one of the smartest things we did, because here's what happens when you're parked in your driveway. Everything feels fine. The water works? Great. The electric is connected? Perfect. The slides come out? Wonderful. But the moment you leave that driveway and you're responsible for all of it on your own, that's when you find out what you actually know. Our first night, I realized I had packed like I was moving into a hotel. Way too much of some things, not enough of others. We had 4 different kinds of snacks and somehow forgot a can opener. This trip taught us so much about our new rig and gave us the confidence we needed for what's coming next. With a few learning moments and a messy situation with the black water seal, the experience was highly necessary, so we know what to expect and even what we actually need. So here are a few things we learned on this trip that I want to pass on to you, especially if you are in that early stage of RV life like we are.
The important thing of this thing, I just screwed up. I drained it all, but this hose, I forgot to have it underneath this like this. I had it over here, over the lip, which meant that I did get some residual stuff in the floor pan here, which I just washed with some fresh water, and I got enough drain holes that it all washed away. Common and easy mistake to make.
Tip number 1, do a shakedown trip before anything big. Seriously, even if it's one night. Even if it's a campground you've driven past 100 times. Get the RV off your property and into a real situation. You will learn more in 48 hours than you did in weeks of preparation. I promise you that. Tip number 2, make a systems checklist and actually use it. Not a packing list, a systems list. Water hookup, electric, leveling, slide outs, awning, gray tank, black tank. Go through each one deliberately, every single arrival and every single departure. We thought we had it down, and then we stood there at our site looking at each other like, wait, which order do we do this in again? Write it down. Laminate it if you have to. Fred has checklists for everything, and this RV is no different. Tip number 3, let your dog tell you things. I know that sounds a little out there, but Goldie was one of our best indicators on this trip. how she settled in, how comfortable she got, how quickly she started treating the RV like home, it told us a lot about how we were doing too. If your pet is calm, something is going right. This is just the beginning, friends. We're counting down to our biggest adventure yet, an epic journey from Florida all the way to Alaska, launching in late April 2026. If you want to follow along as we navigate this incredible adventure, hit that like button and subscribe. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming next. See you on the road.